Namekians. These beings have been around for as long as we have. They are highly intelligent. They are peaceful creatures. They feed on water. And incredibly, they know how to live in peace. This is ghast carcoal. One of Namek's strongest fighters. Those who have came from planet Namek coexist peacefully, and sometimes learn a thing or two about being part of a family. This one is basically this one is the strongest fusion out of all the Namekians. Every one fused into this one entity. Becoming ghast carcoal. Namekians can fuse when one of their ancestors pass away, and fuse with them in order to become something stronger than himself. Ghast carcoal was one of the fighters who took on Frieza. Then he took on Cell, and then he took on Kid Buu. It's kind of amazing. The guy gets stronger and stronger every time. Sorry about that. Here is his cape. There we are. Now we just draw his arms. Well, actually we already drew his arms. Now we're drawing his feet. This guy was recently sawn on Dragonball Multiverse. I hope we get to see him in the actual show. I'm sure this guy is fan-made, but I don't give a flying flip. Anything that was seen in Dragon Ball is real to me. And done. That is how you draw Ghast from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. At least I hope he's from Super Dragon Ball Heroes.